So you just found out you didn't pass the NCLEX. First, take a deep breath. You are not alone and you are not a failure. I know it does not feel good right now, but this is not the end of your nursing journey. This is just an opportunity to reset. Let's get one thing straight. The number of NCLEX attempts you've had or have not had does not define the kind of nurse that you'll be. You're still capable, you're still worthy. You may have hit a bump, and it's okay to be frustrated and grieve and question yourself. But once you've taken the time, let's stand back up and get a plan in place. Start by reflecting without judgment. Ask yourself, was I truly prepared? Did I cram instead of consistently study? Maybe test anxiety got the best of me. Was I passively reviewing, or was I really actively learning? The goal of this is not to beat yourself up. It's just to get clear on what needs to be different for this next attempt. Because now we're going to rebuild with a smarter plan. We recommend doing a 12-week study schedule, especially if you're juggling work, family, or whatever else comes your way. You've got to keep that daily time commitment realistic. It's about consistency. Use tools like your archerreview bank, but use them actively. Read your rationales out loud, take notes in your own words, and review them consistently. We want to watch our on-demand videos in small, bite-sized chunks, and then pause, reflect, and ask, could I explain this topic to someone else? If you can teach it, you can test it. Now, for many of our students, anxiety has held you back. Let's get ahead of it this next time. Learn what triggers that anxiety. Practice deep breathing. Talk yourself up, not down. And tackle just one question at a time. We don't want to let self-doubt snowball. Remember that mock exams and readiness assessments aren't just practice. They help you build confidence, so when test day comes around, you walk out of there saying, hey, that was just another readiness assessment. This time, let's stay consistent even on the hard days. Write your why on a sticky note and put it where you study. When your motivation dips, do just one thing. Watch a short video, maybe do 10 to 15 questions or review a few flashcards because it's about progress over perfection. And remember, this time you're not starting from scratch. You're starting from experience. This next attempt can and will be different. You've got this, and we're here to walk with you every step of the way. Nothing worth it was ever easy, and this NCLEX definitely isn't easy, but it will be worth it. Let's do this together.